What up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm back at the golf course. I'm out throwing the fire craw chatterbait, just called a 376. But that's not what this video is about. I wanted to give everybody a channel update. This year, I'm gonna be throwing a lot of big glide baits. I went out and I invested in a few things. I'll show you exactly what kind of lures I'll be throwing, and I'll also show you the setup. In the meantime, watch this video. I got my first fish of 2023. That was at the end of March. It's the beginning of April right now. So between me showing you footage of me catching my first fish, a couple of fish of 2023, I'm also splicing my glide baits and show you the setup that I'm going to be using. Shout out to all my fast food subscribers. I appreciate your support. Next week, the weather will be even warmer and it's time to break out the kayak. So enjoy this footage and I'll see y'all in a minute. Is it a fish? Is it a fish? Yes, it is a big one. It's a big fish too, yo. It's a big fish. Felt like a little thump. It's a big fish. 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 It's a, he slurped it too. Yes. Oh yeah, man. There we go. First fish of 2023. Oh yeah, man. First fish of 2023. Oh yeah. Yes, sir. Switch to that chartreuse. He gulped it, look. Gulped that thing. Okay. All right, let me just get him out. Yes, first fish, 2023, at the golf course with the chartreuse crankbait because it's a little windy. So I had to get something to make noise. Let's get a release. Damn, I'm happy. First fish. Thank you. First fish of 2023 at the golf course. All right, let's keep throwing to see if we can get another one. They might be just right along this edge. It's another one. It's another one. Another big one. Another big fish. Another big one now. Another one. Not big, but just a little tick on the end of the line. And boom. Got another one. Look. Nice. That chartreuse. There's another one with that chartreuse KVD crankbait. Thank you. Another fish. That reminds me, I gotta stock up on more rattling crankbaits. I don't have enough. But I guess as long as you have them in the right color. So I think this is the only, there's one. Here's one. Yeah. He on this joint. He on him. Please don't jump. Maybe the small ones that get you fucked up. Yeah, don't do it. 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 A little small dinky dink, but I'll take them. That's 3 fish. First 3 fish of 2023. I'm just being curious. I'm gonna go back to that side. That's a fish. That's a good one. Yeah, it's a good fish too. Yep. That's crankbait, man. Yes. I know that right in there. Hey, relax. Calm down. Calm it down. Please calm down. Please calm down. Yes, another one. Red lips. They all bottom feeding, but they like this chartreuse crankbait. Yes, sir. That's 4. Thank you. Oh, wrong way, wrong way, wrong way, wrong way. What up? So I told you I was going to be throwing big glide baits and swim baits this year. I just want to show y'all exactly what I got. Check it out. These are just a few things I picked up and I'm going to be throwing this year. It's not much, but it's just the beginning. First up is a 6 cents speed wake bait. It's got a nice little lip right there, so I think it's going to ride on top of the water. I've never thrown one of these. Next, I picked up some Bass Mafia Dangerous swim baits, 7-inch version. Shout out Logan Anderson Fishing. I saw his channel. So I'm throwing these, man. I got super interested. I'm gonna be throwing these on some owner flashy 8-aught swim bait hooks. This is gonna be real fun. This is my first true glide bait that I'm gonna be throwing this year. Shout out Shoreline Monsters. Shout out Sean. He put me onto these. I cannot wait to throw this lure. Oh my God. Back and forth action. It's going to be crazy. And this lure also came with some interchangeable tails. If I can pull this out real quick. Comes with some backup tails. It's got a little chartreuse tip. So you pull that out. Man, I cannot wait to throw this thing. That's the Explorer Gill by Bait Sandwich. The last thing I picked up was a Savage Gear 3D Shine Glide. I bought the crappie version because I see a lot of crappie where I live. This is the biggest glide bait that I own so far. This is a 9-inch bait. And it is exactly 4.5 ounces. Slow sinking. I cannot wait to throw this. One thing I've learned that if you're gonna have big lures like this, you want to have the right equipment. So I bought me a Shimano. This is a heavy casting rod, 7/8. It's rated for lures 2 to 8 ounces. So this is a big boy right here. Heavy action fast tip. And I'm gonna pair that up with a Corrado DC 201 HG. I cannot wait to throw these combinations. Might be able to get one. Just gotta keep trying. I can't believe I didn't bring my gloves. There's one. There's one, yeah. Oh no, it's a pickerel. Fuck. Don't lose my bait. Slime darts, yo. Damn, he got it all the way in his mouth too. Oh yeah. Big pickerel, look at him. Big pickerel, look at him. bite. He's choked. We got him. We saved him, y'all. We saved him. We saved him. We saved the pickerel. See how many more fish we can catch. I want to lap this entire pond. What is that? A fish. What's that grass? There's a fish, huh? It's another. It's a bass. Tiny little bass, huh? Look like a little spotted too. Look like a little spotted. No, is it? Look at that. Check that out. Red on the lips. Yep. Red on the lips, bottom feeding. There's a little fish. Let that chill for a second. Real slow. Oh, we got a fish. We got a fish, huh? Real slow, reeling it in real slow. We got one. Yes, yo. DT6. DT6. Ooh, hold up. I ain't gonna touch you. Hold up. Hold up. Ooh, this fish is cold. You see it? This fish has been caught before. Just felt like I was hung up for a second. Nice. Let's go over here. Let's go right along this edge. Nice and slow. We get one going real slow over here. Ah, come on. Got him. Got him. He bumped it at the last minute. He bumped it at the last second. Yeah. Right on top of the nose. Work. DT6. That's it for me. Next week, the weather will be in the high 70s, maybe even 80. The kayak is definitely coming out. See y'all next episode.